How to fix QuickBooks error 15222. 3 quick solutions. Solution 1. Download the updates as an administrator. Step 1. Right-click on the QuickBooks icon and select Run as administrator. Step 2. Select Yes to allow the program to make changes to your computer. Step 3. Now, open QuickBooks Desktop and go to Help. Step 4. Then select Update QuickBooks Desktop. Step 5. In the Overview tab, click on Update Now. Step 6. If you wish to turn on automatic updates, go to Options and select the Automatic Update option. Step 7. When you're ready, go to Update Now, click on Get Updates, and QuickBooks will start downloading updates. Step 8. Once the download is complete, QuickBooks will ask you to restart. Click OK on the pop-up. Step 9. Next, you need to download the latest payroll tax table update. To do this, go to Employees. Step 10. Then select Get Payroll Updates. Step 11. Check the number next to the you are using tax table version. Step 12. Then select Download Entire Update and click on OK. Solution 2. Run QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 1. Open QuickBooks Tool Hub. If you don't have it, download and install it from. Step 2. In QuickBooks Tool Hub, select Program Problems. Step 3. Next, select Quick Fix My Program and it'll take some time to fix the issue. Step 4. Once done, select the Installation Issues tab. Step 5. Then select QuickBooks Install Diagnostic Tools and it'll take up to 20 minutes to fix the issue. Step 6. Once done, restart your computer and see if the issue is resolved. Solution 3. Reinstall QuickBooks Desktop. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button, search Control Panel and open it. Step 2. Now, select the Programs and Features. Step 3. From the list of programs, locate your version of the QuickBooks. Step 4. Right-click on QuickBooks and click on Uninstall. Step 5. Now, you need to reinstall QuickBooks again. To do this, visit the official Intuit QuickBooks download page. Step 6. Select your product and download it. Step 7. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file. Step 8. If the installation doesn't start automatically, select your install file from the desktop. Step 9. Select Next on the Install Shield wizard. Step 10. View the license agreement, then select Accept and Continue. Step 11. Next, enter the license and product number and click Next. Step 12. Select Express as the installation type and click Next. Step 13. In the Ready to Install window, click on Install to proceed with the installation process. Step 14. Once the installation is complete, click on Open QuickBooks. Step 15. When you're prompted to reboot your computer, click OK. Step 16. Then click on Begin Activation and you're all set. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 8774690 298 +44 800 0548 150.